Excessive high-quality blades on this crushed ice maker will by no means rust, and sharp blades are sturdy for long-run use. There are numerous items accessible to block shaved ice machines. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best block shaved ice machine from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Hawaiian Shaved Ice. Nice for making shaved ice, snow cones, snowballs, slushies, margaritas and far more. Put together cool treats shortly at sleepovers, small pool events, birthday events, and different household and good friend get-togethers. Residents use electrical S900A shaved ice and snow cone machine 3-piece design, easy to assemble, 2 spherical block ice molds, a non-slip mat, and 1-year producer's guarantee. 5.5 broad, 8 diameter, and 12 tall, which makes it simple to tuck underneath the counter or in a cupboard. Before shaving, allow the ice blocks to thaw for 5 to 7 minutes. This is what the pros do to provide the best quality snow. This process is called tempering. Number 2. Shaved Ice Maker. Merely plug in, add common ice cubes, shave, add your favorite snow cone syrup or juice, and high with recent fruit or garnish. Nice for frozen cocktails, mocktails, and enormous occasion gatherings. Really easy, your youngsters can use it. This can be a must-have for that first condo, smaller kitchen, faculty dorm life, or camper or RV touring. The right wedding ceremony or new residence reward. The Mandoline's small measurement takes up little counter space for storing, and is a good addition to anybody's kitchen. The Secure Slice Mandoline comes with a meals catch container, cleansing brush, and recipe information. Make self-made slushies, snow cones, frozen cocktails, and extra proper out of your kitchen. You management the elements, natural, sugar-free, all-natural juice, making it higher for you and your loved ones. Wire length 40 inches. Number 3. Mambo Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. 1x Ice Crusher to crush ice cubes into fluffy snow-like ice. 1x Iced Ice Mildew to freeze 15 pcs of cubic ice blocks. Each ice blocks and snow cone shaved ice are simple, accessible on your slushies, margaritas, humorous drinks, and extra. Excessive high-quality blades on this crushed ice maker will by no means rust, and sharp blades are sturdy for long-run use. Extra precision cut blades can shave ice cubes far more quicker and effectively than regular one blade, and might be simply operated from childhood to previous age. Straightforward to use, straightforward to clear, straightforward to carry, and straightforward to retailer. Movable handbook hand crank operation design helps you get shaved ice, snow cones for humorous drinks, even outdoor without electrical energy. Versatile silicone iced ice tray helps you get 15 pcs of good measurement ice blocks for every kind of drinks at residence, workplace, celebrations, and events. Ice cubes might be launched simply by a finger push or easy twist. Number 4. Beaver Ice Shaver Machine Electric. Constructed of premium ABS plastic materials, our industrial snow cone machine appears to be like trendy in look and is constructed to final. A big ice hopper is built into our electrical ice crusher, holding as much as 5.1 pounds, 2.3 kilograms of ice, and decreasing the frequency of refilling. The lockable cowl might be tightly closed when crushing and successfully hold mud out. The intuitive viewing window brings many conveniences to look at the remaining ice inside. Our industrial ice shaver is applied with an easy-to-operate swap, compassing on, off, and reverse. You can begin or cease the machine by urging down the button. And when the ice cube's getting jammed, you may allow the reverse operate to carry it again to regular operation. The adjusting knob permits you to set the shaved ice finer or rougher as you would like. Totally different fineness serves various makes use of, comparable to snow cones, chilled drinks, backside ice for seafood, and so on. Our electrical ice shaver crusher for residence and industrial use is your preferred associate every time you want shaved ice at events, residence gatherings, or another event. With sturdy and dependable supplies adopted and user-friendly design particulars gathered in its physique, it performs excellently in making smoothies, milkshakes, backside ice for seafood and sashimi, and so on. You'll be able to apply it to eating places, canteens, fast food chains, dessert and drink retailers, cafes, bars, golf equipment, and so on. Number 5. Nostalgia RSM 602 Countertop Snow Cone Maker. With a chamber that is clear from all views, it is easy to shave ice and watch it pile up from any angle. A security swap is constructed into the shaving mechanism to maintain palm secure. Use the snow cone facet shelf as a prepping station to carry 2 snow cones, and add your favorite syrups. This unit is the proper measurement to suit on a kitchen countertop or small facet desk, making it simple to serve snow cones wherever you go. Unit works completely with all Nostalgia snow cone kits. Attempt the snow cone equipment, SCK800, snow cone syrups, SCS160, or the straws and cups, SCSTRAWCUP20. The precision lower stainless steel chopping blades geared up with this machine work shortly and effectively to shave ice cubes into scrumptious, fluffy snow-like ice.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.